This year we wanted to reflect on how we are using a variety of tools: photography, computer science and advertising. That is why we named our end-of-year exhibition, And Who Am I Exactly, paraphrasing the quote from the great poet Leopardi, who contemplated this topic so frequently. During our workshops we wanted to self-reflect by asking questions, such as what adjectives might describe our character or our way of being: lively, sporty, angry, happy, tender, romantic. We wanted to propose photographs or images that explain these aspects. We asked our friends what they thought they had in common with us, such as favorite teams or hobbies, likes and dislikes. Finally, we considered how we actually communicate with others, who we really are, and what image we would like to portray. It was an experimental project, the results of which we combined in a physical catalogue. Of course, we have not been exhaustive. There is certainly more to be said. No doubt we could find room for improvement, but certainly it was a positive experience for all those who participated. And it is only now, when we look back, that we recognize how much we learned about the topic of self-awareness. AppLab is the software we use to implement our applications. It is a platform made available by Code.org. With this program you can create web apps with a block code or JavaScript, run them, and then share the applications using a URL link. Each pupil designed his or her own app with photos that correspond with the adjectives that he or she felt describe them best. The pupils then added their favorite activities. Some have also created a small video game, and all can be shared with a simple link or with a QR code. Starting from real advertisements, we reflected on language. We dealt with words, description, storytelling and figures of speech. At the end of the course, everyone created his own advert promoting himself, his qualities and his distinguishing features. We worked on self-portraits. Pupils met professionals in the field, talking about art and the technique of photography. They could experiment and receive feedback from professionals. Students worked together, taking photos of friends, following each other's directions. At the end of the course, the teacher put together a book of the best photos by every student. We worked with Scratch, a software platform used to program personal interactive stories, games and animations and share them with others in the online community. Every pupil tried to tell something about himself with this product and could vote for friends' apps. During the activities, our teachers were divided into two groups. Half of us taught in the labs, the others made observations for evaluations and studied the theoretical framework to develop new methods of learning skills in the classrooms. During each course, students made their own product, an advert, some photos and an app, and at the end of the year, they were asked to discuss something they learned about themselves using the method most preferred. In June, on the occasion of the final school party, we put our products on display. The students shared what they learned with their parents and with the other students via an exhibition. We are proud of the results. The students participated positively. They enjoyed the different labs and were able to tell something original about themselves by using new instruments. Teachers could look at the students in different ways, all round, in an unstructured setting. They were able to use observations and evaluations in everyday school life. We tried to keep a constant dialogue between teachers and students. We had two main steps. At the beginning, pupils were interviewed individually in order to understand desires and expectations. Then we tried to compare the benefits together at the end of the courses.